Hey gearheads, welcome back to Revline 89. We got the Mustang in the background. So today we are going to be installing a strut brace for the motor, on top of the motor. Now there's a lot of controversy on strut braces, and the two biggest arguments are, one, they do absolutely nothing for performance or anything other than adds appearance and style, and then two, other people argue, yes, that might be true on a base all stock, but once you do full exhaust, they do come in handy and they help with the flexing and distribute the power evenly. And people argue it for handling and stuff, that there's beneficial to that, and the more you mod your vehicle out, the more the braces that help. I don't know, honestly. You guys hear that? Man, walnuts are falling down on tin roof over there. Anyway, so my honest opinion on that is, if it adds performance or anything, whatever, as we're soon going to be pro charging it. If it adds performance and helps that, great. If not, it's all on style for me. As you guys can see, if you've been following this Mustang build, it's about style, it's about my style, it's about, enjoying what I'm doing. And come on guys, it's turning out pretty good, I would say. Listen to this exhaust. For a 4.0 V6 Mustang, that's not too bad, you gotta admit that. Oh, and they said you can't get a 4.0 Mustang to sound anything other than a rice burner. So this is how she sounds in park. I'll put her in drive so you guys can hear how she sounds. She really sounds good in drive. So with that being said, for this brace we have, I picked it. I thought about going with the chrome one, but I'm not really too, I got chrome rims, stainless steel tips. I like chrome, but I like black, and I like black. I think I'm, going towards blacking this out more, making it more stealthy. Now this is black and gold basically with a little bit of chrome. And we're keeping the gold stripe and all that stuff, the gold, letters on the back here you guys probably can't see, but we're keeping that gold and other things gold, but some areas we are blacking it out. And under the hood is one area where I just want everything black, just, nice. We could go with a Pro Charger that's chrome, or a high, finish, but yeah, it's under the hood. I'm not too wild, I don't really care if everything's all chromed out. So anyway, let's get to installing this strut and show you guys how it looks afterwards. So here's how she looks as of now. Now I'm told that it's a direct fit. I hope that is true. It goes from here to there. They said you don't have to remove anything, but some guy was saying something about a fuse you have to remove. So I'm not quite sure, but on the website they said no, you don't have to do anything for your 4.0. So yeah, we're about to find out. So that's how she looks right now. Alright, here's how she looks done. So aftermarket hood, let's hope everything goes right. I don't know. We're now adding bars up top where it drops down, so I am worried. So this should be interesting, guys. Okay, it closed. So after some long thoughts, this is what I came up with. And I love it. So it's actually a smaller version of the one that I have inside the car. And I think it just sets the car off perfectly. Love it.